So a while back we got this Ryobi 18 volt little mini chainsaw, and when I got this, I got it used for very cheap. It looked like just a return, or it's not like somebody had pawned it off. When we got it, the chain spun backwards. Because I got it and went to cut with it. I thought it was the chain, but then after closer inspection, so this is the direction that it's supposed to turn. It's supposed to turn this way to be able to cut. And I think even on the back of this bar, it has the rotation listed. So instead of it rotating this way, the correct way, it was rotating the opposite direction. This video is going to be about how Midnight and I fixed this from spinning the wrong direction. Apparently it was a factory defect. So let's get to it.
So, I'm gonna start with that one that you drilled out. Ah, that beautiful, easy crack open.
What's up?
There's one screw that I got loose, and it's unscrewed. I just can't get it out of its hole, and it is just refusing. On the plus side, all of the screws on the outside look like they're the exact same fucking screw.
That's cool.
There's only one that's different, and it requires a completely different head. But yeah, I got all of the screws off for the outside. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's one up here that's attached to the blade that's bigger. Yeah, all these are the exact same size. Here we go. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4 more under this thing. And those are a different head. Of course they would be.
Which ones?
These two under here.
Oh, those you probably use just a flathead.
No.
No, I mean they're security bits, but you use a flathead.
Okay.
So there's a trick to them. Is it just like this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you use a security. You use a flathead on it, and if the pole snaps off, then you use a regular Torx. Yeah, we can try that, and if it snaps the post, then we can put a Torx in it.
Nope. Bye-bye post.
Cool.
Nope, nope, it's still there. Just keep slipping. There we go.
There you go.
Yay. And then these are just regular old star bits. They're just bigger.
Yeah. So that can come off.
Oh, there's another one underneath it.
There's a spring there. This can go ahead and come off.
Okay.
There we go.
Okay.
Cool.
That's like a regular bit. Yeah, it's regular. And then these are regular, they're just bigger. I need a bigger bit for these. They're not security bits, they're just star bits.
A bigger one?
Yeah. Oh god, these are tight.
They gotta be.
I'm glad I have the bigger screwdriver for these.
We also don't know how many of those hold what.
True.
Because there could be screws that hold the motor into the casing.
Yeah, but I can't get it to come apart yet, so.
Well, yeah, you have to pull the pin on this. That gear comes off.
Oh.
go from this, yeah, you go from this way, you get it to peak, see where that flat is? You get it to peek out there. You put your flat here.
Okay.
And then pull.
Okay.
And there's that, and then you pull these off. And then pull that off.
Okay. This feels like it has like fucking like a minor bit of Loctite or something on it. Fucking
I think they're just ran in there. It's just plastics.
fair.
They just run them in there. Yeah, they definitely just run them in there. And I don't know if that one comes out or not. Guess we'll find out.
Come out. It came out. Silver one. That one probably didn't need to come out though. But oh well. Alright, I believe gone. Unless there's one under
There's
there.
not. That's where the motor is. And just cut the sticker down there.
And slowly just get it loosened a little bit around the edges.
Yeah.
Oh, this thing. How would you...
There's another sticker.
Oh.
Hold on. It's just another sticker.
Okay.
That one I can actually probably just pull the sticker off.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Just got it loosened up around everything and trying to get it to come off. Whoop. Okay, let's put those up in the corner.
Yeah.
Or I won't knock them off. There we go. This corner is being stubborn. Okay, there it goes. Oh, there's a little recess. That's why it was.
Cool. Hey, look, a giant capacitor.
That is a huge ass capacitor.
That looked kind of like a T-Power or something.
Alright, let's see. There's no screws inside of here.
Yeah.
Everything's just set in.
Everything's just set in. That's how they're made.
There's a lot of glue on the board.
So, I know what happened from the factory is depending on how this motor's done, it's either soldered or hooked, like connected backwards. Okay, so this is a blue and a red wire. Looks like there's a black one in there too. Yeah, alright. Somebody connected this shit wrong. They connected the blue to the red and the red to the blue.
Oh, I see that. Yeah.
That's why it ran backwards.
So they completely hooked it up wrong.
So if we connect this to test it. Right now, it's rotating this direction. If I flip that, it should, so that I don't forget, I'm going to point the screwdriver in this direction so that I know it's rotating in that direction. I'm going to flip these connections, make sure that that's discharged. I'm going to flip these connections. That's not going to be though. There's a capacitor on the board.
The giant capacitor.
Oh yeah, this is a factory defect. They did this and then heat shrank it. So I'm going to need to cut that. Good thing is that the ground is connected correctly.
Yeah.
So there's that.
It's just the motor directionals.
Yeah, it's just they hooked it up backwards. I don't know. How do you fuck that up?
I don't know.
How do you fuck that up?
One blatantly is red, one blatantly is blue.
Maybe somebody was entirely black and white colorblind. Because I don't think they're labeled very well on the board.
Or they're tired as shit.
Yeah, just might not give a shit. Or it was out of protest. I totally forgot I have side cutters here.
Yeah. I'm just gonna set this back in its hole.
Tell you what, the stuff they used on this was strong.
Yeah. I mean, it has to be.
It's like a consumer protection, so.
It's a chainsaw. One of them wires gets out and loosey-goosey, that might be fire.
Okay. So now, if we hook these correctly. Oh, they're crimped.
Are they crimped?
Yeah.
Oh.
But I mean, like, I can work with this. I actually thought these were going to be, it's a solid state soldered. So if they're just crimped, I mean, that's not too bad. They're tight. They're crimped on here. They hooked them together and then pressed them. Now,
yeah, I can see the little dot in the middle.
I think I can finagle this a little bit to loosen them so that I can get it apart. Yep, there we go. I'll just have to repinch them after they get correctly oriented.
Oh, I know where our heat sinks are.
Red and red, blue and blue. Get them as far away from each other as possible before testing. Good enough.
Spinning now? Is it right now?
Yes, it is.
So that should...
That's it.
Alright.
That was easier than I thought it was going to
Our
be.
heat shrinks are in the boxes behind your TV.
So we've got the connections routed correctly.
Okay, I'm gonna go start getting garlic together and get it peeled.
Okay.
Do you need a lighter?
That's a good question. I'll put it together first and then we'll get it out.
Okay. I'm gonna go start gathering garlic.
Okay. I'm going to stick that together. I need to crimp that. Get these back in place. Give that a little bit of a pinch. Nope. Okay, those are connected. Now get the heat shrink over it, down onto the connector. Kind of a challenge. There we go. There's one. Get it over that. Come on. Come on. There we go. Okay. I can heat these up. Actually, should get that shrink down further. And then I'll shrink those. There we go. Oh yeah. That's got that. That looks pretty good. Look at that. Run the wires back through all their holes. Put this back in here. So that's back together. Try to get these wires a little bit better. There we go. And that should be good. Everything's kind of crammed in there, but it's how it was earlier too. Okay, so the capacitor on this main board is a 1000 microfarad by 35 volts. I can't tell what brand it is, but it kind of looks like a TPO or something. It's one of those green and gold ones. There's some smaller solid caps in here that are CK4750V and CR1035V. There's also another one that I can't quite see in the back that is probably also a CK1035V. Got it.
Yeah, we're just reassembling it. I'm gonna put the insides in first. Well, that's how I said I'm gonna put the insides in first. The insides are already inside.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put the inside screws in first.
Yeah, that went on there so much easier. Yeah, everything is right in the world with this now. Interesting.
It looks like it's turning right now.
Yep. It is. It's supposed to be turning this way. And it is.
Yeah, so you can do this.
Yep. It is fixed.
Yay!
And when it's together and all done, it should be spinning this way.